It's not that we need solar, it's that we want it. It's one of the lowest costs of energy that we can produce here on the planet. And in the future, perhaps even create hydrogen that can be used to power fuel cells and make additional power. Why wouldn't we want that? T5 approaches solar from the inside out. A data center and a solar power system are very similar in topology. Inverters produce power and servers consume power. The capabilities of solar are pretty endless. You can charge batteries on a small level. You can actually produce energy for the utility on a large level. The solar panels themselves take the power from the sun and have to be distributed through multiple inverters combined into a panel board. From that panel board out to a disconnect and out to a transformer, hence out to the grid.